You have to try this amazing pasta recipe. It's so easy to make with only few ingredients. I promise you this is the best salad ever. In a large pot, pour 2 liters of water. Mix 1 tablespoon of any salt you have. Set the heat to high. Get 500 grams of your favorite pasta. You can use macaroni or shell also. If you are loving this video, comment where you are watching from so that I can give you a huge shout out. For today's shout out, I would like to say hello to Crystal Joy Nips and Juliet Tor. Once water is boiling, add your pasta of choice. Cook until al dente for better result. Have you tried making this recipe before? Comment if you love pasta and salad. Once satisfied with the cooking, drain pasta water and rinse your pasta with running water to prevent it from cooking any further. Drain excess water and let the pasta cool in the fridge. In a new bowl, pour 1 cup or 250 milliliters of all-purpose cream. Combine 1 cup of real mayonnaise. Do not use all-purpose dressing because you will never have the same result and taste. Add a half cup of condensed milk. You can add more if you want diabetes. You can also use honey as sweetener if you have the money to buy real honey. It is best if all your cream ingredients are chilled or cooled in the fridge before mixing to get better results. Now combine everything until all is well blended. Do you like my voice today? If yes, comment I love chicken nuggets. If no, comment supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Place the cream inside the fridge while preparing the main event. Use colorful and flavorful Kaong and nata de coco. Drain 850 grams mixed fruit cocktail. Do not forget the cheese cubes for a little bit of salty bite. After mixing everything together, combine the cream from the fridge.
Ano, nakakapit, 6 pieces.